Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, transferring assets between exchanges like MEXC and Binance is a skill you'll want to master. Today, we're focusing on how to move USDT from MEXC to Binance quickly and safely. USDT is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, making it ideal for transfers without wild price swings. Let's jump right in. First things first, before you start, ensure you have accounts set up on both MEXC and Binance. Double-check that you have some USDT in your MEXC wallet and that you've enabled two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. This step is crucial to protect your funds from any potential risks. Step 1. Log into your MEXC account. Head over to the Wallets or Assets section. Here, you'll see your USDT balance. Click on Withdraw or Transfer option next to USDT. Step 2. Select the network for your transfer. In 2025, make sure to choose a compatible network like TRON, TRC20, or Ethereum, ERC20, that both exchanges support to avoid any issues or extra fees. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for network fees. Step 3. Now, grab your Binance deposit address. Log into Binance, go to your wallet, select USDT, and copy the deposit address. Make sure it matches the network you selected on MEXC. Mismatches can lead to lost funds. Step 4. Paste that address into the withdrawal field on MEXC. Double-check everything, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation code via email or app. Verify it to complete the transaction. Once it's done, head back to Binance and refresh your wallet to see your USDT arrive. This whole process usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. A quick tip: always monitor transaction fees and use the Blockchain Explorer to track your transfer. And remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so stay cautious. There you have it. Transferring USDT from MEXC to Binance is straightforward with these steps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.